gosh, I'm tired. Tired, and tomorrow I have to be up at 3:50 a.m. Yes, while the whole world sleeps. Gosh, bro, you're scaring me. Can you check on your phone? What's the fastest way to go home, baby? Yep. Because I mean, I think I could take the street, but I think it'll be faster if I take the freeway. Unless it's making me take the streets.
This is... yeah, through here.
Uh-huh.
Firestone, and then you're gonna get...
But is it making me get the 710?
Yes.
To the 105, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what
yeah, 710 to 105.
Yeah, that's what I suspected. Because I mean,
then
I could go...
5 and then the 5.
Yeah, because I could go Firestone all the way, but that's just taking all the streets.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think it's better if I just take the freeway.
I mean... there... it's just 3 minutes faster. If you go through the streets, it's 19 minutes.
I'll just take the freeway. Oh man. Just let me know if you get cold, baby.
No, I'm hot.
Oh, you're hot? Alright. So I keep the AC. Alright, welcome back, guys, to another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that very, very great intro. Starting with the family. And we're on our way home. Well, actually, I think I already said that, but now we're driving. So let's just enjoy the night vibes while I'm driving. Enjoy all the glorious colors that you see during the night.
I think when he starts making noises because he's sleepy.
Sleepy?
Like he wants to go to sleep.
Oh, really?
So he's making noises on his throat eyes.
Uh-huh.
And earlier he was doing that too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah? He's sleepy?
He fights him.
But he doesn't want to go to sleep. Boy is sleepy and he doesn't want to. Why are you braking so early?
Make sure the formula doesn't fall, baby.
Yeah. Or actually, you want to hold it then?
Yeah.
Here we go, we're entering the freeway. And I'm so thirsty, that yogurt got me thirsty. Oh, you have water here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, but you don't have a lot. Oh, but that's true. need to for real get on a diet. I feel so sluggish after eating those 5 chiles.
Boy. What do we need? Just 2 chiles.
I know, huh? But I mean, if you think about it, that's kind of like the only meal I eat.
Extra.
That's literally the only thing I ate today. I guess it's just because I drink a lot of mineral waters and water that I just feel full. Oh, I just...
So that's why you feel all big.
Yeah. You're right.
Drink water.
You're so right. What happened?
He already knows. He's already listening.
Yeah. Well, he already knows, and then it's also his bedtime already, so I'm sure he feels it already.
I'm so glad since he was a baby, he was sleeping at the same.
I know.
And he was a baby, he would mainly wake up like at 12.
Uh-huh.
But now he pushes it to like 1.
Yeah.
Or like 2.
Oh my gosh, car, can you pick it up, please? Pick it up. Why do you drive the same speed, man? Let's go to the carpool because this guy is driving too slow right here. Uh-oh. Baby's getting fuzzy. It's alright, Papa. We're almost home, okay? We're almost home. I know. You want to be in your bed already. I know. One day when I'm able, I would like to make a driving video of me going somewhere like around 2 a.m. in the morning. or 1 a.m. Or maybe wake up really early, like around 4 a.m. Because I think being on the freeway, like those vibes are so cool. They're so relaxing. Like when I go to work around that time, it's so relaxing. It just feels different. Oh. I think maybe in the future I'll work on tinting the windows. And I've been looking at things like to add on to this car, like the spoilers, like the front splitter, and maybe like a back spoiler to make it look very nice, and like how people say in the car community, like murdered out, or I don't know, modded, something like that. I don't know. I'm not that into cars, but I do appreciate cars, you know. Oh my gosh, really? Did it turn? Oh, so at 9 o'clock they turn into the stop. Because right now we were waiting for the light, and it literally just changed like that.
Wait, it's not your turn.
I know. What? I don't know why they're not going.
The car?
Yeah, it was a red light, and then all of a sudden it changed like that. And I looked at my watch and it says 9 o'clock.
Now you know.
Well, I already knew like at a certain time it changed.
No, you knew that, but now you know.
Yeah, now I know exactly what time.
Remember back then, we would come that way. We would stay over late. So
yeah.
We would come home like at 12.
It'll be like 10, 11, and the lights will be like that. But at least now we know. And I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys. I know I've said it in the past, but I would love to drive a Cybertruck. I don't know why. I feel like I just want to drive a Cybertruck. And I feel like right now that would be my dream car. A Cybertruck. Oh. One day I'll make a video driving a Cybertruck. Mark my words. And if you guys want to help me get there, then please subscribe, comment, and like. And let me know if you guys are a big fan of the Cybertruck. Let me know if you guys dislike it or like it. Whoa. Rallies. One day I want to try rallies. I feel like I've never tried it. I can just make a late night video. Me and my wife and my son came to rallies at 12 a.m. in the morning. And we tried the Baconzilla. 50% more beef. We're almost there, Papa. We're almost there.
Okay.
Hold on to your lily white butt. Tell him that God's been good. There, Papa, we're home. Oh, my baby. Oh, they cops.
Stop. Why didn't you stop?
I'm making a right turn.
Okay, but you still need to stop for that.
But I'm making a right turn. Yeah, Papa. Yeah, I hate your boy. Yeah, I hate your boy. In your little bed, and you wanna be in your comfy bed with Poppy and Mommy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Papa. Let's go. We're here. We made it. Let's go, Papa. Oh. Well, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click all the other videos that YouTube is going to recommend. And I'll see you guys on the next one.